Hey everyone, in this video, I will clear up any doubts about how to unlock or unlink Steam from FACEIT and whether it's actually possible. First, open Google Chrome on your preferred browser. Go to the search bar and type in FACEIT, then wait for the page to load. Once the result appears, click on the first link that leads to the FACEIT homepage. On the home page, you will find options like Home, Play, Watch, Missions and more. If you want to manage your Steam integration on FACEIT, click on the three-dot menu and navigate to your account settings. There, you will see all your account information. To manage integration, click on the Integration tab. This section shows all the platforms you can link to your FACEIT account, including Steam. However, at the time of recording this video, FACEIT does not allow you to unlink your Steam account once it's connected. You can link it, but you cannot remove it from your account using the available settings. This video is meant to clarify that information, and I hope it helps explain the situation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.